So tell me a little bit about your experience with the Le Mans Edition exhaust.
I installed my own track version exhaust in November. Very straightforward, very simple. Had no issues really putting the thing together.
Awesome.
Taking the old exhaust off. There's no check engine lights, no drone. Super comfortable going down the interstate at 70, 80 miles an hour. You can talk on your phone, listen to music. It's basically like running a stock exhaust in the loud mode.
Great.
But when you do a cold start, it comes alive. When you rev it, when you get above 2,000 RPM, it's a ton of fun.
Awesome. You think you could give us a little bit of an exhaust?
Yeah, be happy to.
Wow, Richard. That sounds amazing.
Happy customer.
Exhaust from the Le Mans Edition.